For the financial year 23-24, most of us are confused which tax regime to go with. Is it the new tax regime which is beneficial to us, or is it the old tax regime? I will share a quick tip based on which, without doing any calculation, you can decide which tax regime you should be picking. Government has shared that a person having income of 7 lakhs, there is no tax involved. And for the people who are salaried and the pensioners will also get a standard deduction of 50,000 rupees. That makes income of 7.5 lakhs tax free as per the new tax regime. Now consider a person having income of 8 lakhs. For people having 8 lakhs, we need to take care of deductions. Deductions is nothing but is the investment and expenditure we are going to make for the financial year 23-24. It constitutes of ATC, HRA, house loan and other investments or expenditure we are going to incur. If you are a person with income of 8 lakhs and if you have deductions of more than 1.5 lakhs, only then think about the old tax regime. Otherwise, go with the new tax regime. The actual break even of old and new tax for a person with 8 lakhs is 1,62,500 rupees. But for easier calculation, I am rounding it out and sharing the figures. Now, if you are a person with 9 lakhs and if you have a deductions of more than 2 lakhs, only then go with the old tax regime. Otherwise, the new tax regime is beneficial for you. If you are a person with income of 10 lakhs, if you have deductions of more than 2.5 lakhs, only then go with the old tax regime. Otherwise, new tax regime is beneficial for you. Now, if you are a person with income of 11 lakhs, go with the old tax regime only if you have deductions of 2,75,000. Otherwise, the old tax regime is not beneficial for you, whereas the new tax regime is beneficial. If you are a person with an income of 12 lakhs, if you have deductions of more than 3 lakhs, then go with the old tax regime. Otherwise, the new tax regime, the default one, is the best one for you. Now, the highest slab which usually gets debated is 15,50,000 rupees. Now, if you are a person with income of 15,50,000 or more, then unless you have deductions of 3,75,000, you need not go with the old tax regime, but the default new tax will be beneficial for you. All these details which I have shared here is also put in the description box so that you can quickly access and take the decisions.